What's up? What's going on, everybody? My name's Pistol Pete, and right now I'm gonna show you how to use a BB gun and shoot a couple targets for you. Show you how good my aim is. I'm saying this is a CO2 6mm BB gun. It uses plastic pellets. This is the clip. This is my box of CO2. And as you know, it's a fucking tank full of 5,000 BBs. Now, first of all, I'm gonna load the clip. Every BB gun is different, so you never know. But on this one, you just gotta slide this little button down right here. Slide it all the way down. Make sure you hit the button at the end, 'cause it'll pop back up. See, the button's out. It slides all the way down. You see a little hole right there at the top? That's where you drop the BBs in there. This clip holds about 15 BBs. I don't have a speed loader yet, so bear with me. Let me put the camera back somewhere. Now that's all loaded up. There's 15 BBs in there. I'll slide into the bottom of the clip. Make sure it's all the way up. Now this CO2 tank's been in here for a while now, so I don't really know how many shots are left, but we can determine by shooting the target right here. I'll get a close up on my target. Don't try this at home. You shouldn't shoot this thing in the house. I'll do that with one of my son's crayons, so bear with me. My aim might be a little off because I'm shooting with one hand now. Now, you must take the BB gun off for safety. All I do is push this little button in and slide it back. Now it's ready to fire. Oh, you heard that? It jammed up. Let me clean my gun. That sound means it's empty. See those holes? About 4 or 5 went through here. 2 through that hole. About 3 through that hole. Everything else was single shots. Pretty accurate, huh? You can buy one of these BB guns for about $40 to $50 at Walmart.